Hello guys, welcome back to another video. You know what time it is. We're gonna jump into this freaking deluxe Stylist Witch Zodiac bundle. If you guys haven't seen any of these videos before, basically there is this woman, Gabriela, and she runs the Stylist Witch, and she does this thing called intuitive styling. If you want to hear more about it, we actually just did a podcast on it, so I'll link that below. Definitely check it out. To put it in short terms, she's a fashion witch, and she puts together these outfit bundles that are imbued with certain zodiac elements, and they're like blessed by Venus. It's so amazing, it's so beautiful. And I've gotten 2 other boxes from her before and I absolutely loved them. I got a Scorpio bundle and then the Venus bundle, and so this one is an Aries bundle, and I'm so excited because if you guys know me, I'm an Aries. I'm very much an Aries. You guys are hearing how fast I'm talking, right? Aries Mercury, Aries Mars, Aries Sun, Aries Saturn, Aries 12th house stellium. Woo! I've had this box for almost 24 hours, and I haven't opened it yet, and so I'm literally dying, okay? So we're just gonna jump right into it. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I think this is actually, the past 2 bundles I had got from her were just the general, I think is what they're called, or like the standard, but she got me the deluxe bundle today, so I'm not quite sure what it's gonna be. I think it's 2 separate outfits, but I'm not 100% sure. So, oh my god, you guys, I'm literally gonna die. Look at it. So far, this is what we've got. Okay. Just bracing myself. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in here. I love mysteries. So, little bag, and of course she gives a little card, and it makes me cry every time. It's so cute. So she says, Luna, my love, my Aries stellium baddie. Okay, I am obsessed with these looks, and each item is so interchangeable. Oh, okay, she's gonna explain it. Should I read it now, or should I? I'm gonna read it now, because it's not spoiling it really, because it's just describing it. Okay, bundle / look 1 is a skirt and cardigan. She says, okay, so in my vision you'd wear this with nothing under the cardigan and just tie the front, but you could wear this scarf as a top under it too. Oh my god. Okay, bundle / look 2 and 3, she says, the dress, chef's kiss. I actually have the same exact one, and it is one of my go-to pieces. Would look great with the scarf in your hair or layered with the cardigan over this button down tied at the waist. Daisy Duke style. The button down would also look great with the skirt tied at the waist as well, or buttoned all the way down and even tucked into the skirt for business / boss witch Aries things. And of course the chokers. Oh my god, you guys, I'm a slut for chokers. I'm gonna die. Look good with everything. Can't wait to see these on you. Love you, beautiful. XOXO Gabi. Okay, and she gives you a little sticker, which I think is so cute. Her icon's really, really cute. Check that out. Isn't that cute? The fact that there's chokers. I can't deal with this, you guys. I can't deal with this. This is so exciting. Okay, so each thing's individually wrapped, and I do want to mention that all of these are, or at least most of them are secondhand, which obviously I know so many of us are very aware of the fashion industry issues and the need for sustainable fashion. So, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I thought this was the scarf. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I really thought this was the scarf because of the material. It's like this thin, silky. Oh, this is so cool. Let me just check this out really quick. Oh, I love that. Ooh, that is stylish, not stylish. Look at those buttons. We're gonna try all this on, you guys. Just wait. The friggin' color scheme. I'm dying. Oh, I really love that. Oh, I'm a fan. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it on. Okay, so that is the cardigan. Let's see what next, you guys. I'm gonna wait for the chokers because I just can't. This is so much right now. Can't deal with it. I'm gonna open this guy. It says 2 on it. Should I open this last? This feels hunkier, so I think this is the dress, but it could be the skirt if it's like a long skirt or a thick skirt. Let's just see. Oh, this is so pretty. This might be a dress. Oh shit, this is so hot. No. Oh, you guys, it's coming very like red on camera, but I need you to know this is like hot pink. Oh, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. I'm so serious. This is so pretty. I love the like stringy straps, and it has like a slit in the back. I know it's coming up super red on camera. We're gonna get better lighting so you guys can see, but I swear to you guys, this is like the hottest pink you've ever saw. In comparison, maybe you'll show it. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm fucking losing it. That is so fucking cute. Oh my god, okay. Oh, so we know. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose it. Oh my god. What is happening? No, this is so cute. No, this is so cute. What's going on? No, this is so fucking pretty. Wait, so are there 2 cardigans? I really missed that. She said there was the skirt and cardigan and then a dress. There's 2 cardigans, you guys. Oh my god, and this one I'm so obsessed with. This is so pretty. It's got these fluffies. Oh my god. That is so cute. And this is the skirt that goes with it. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Just a tight little pink skirt. Oh my god, you guys, we have to try this on. Isn't this so pretty? Oh my god. There's so much happening right now, and we still haven't opened the bag of jewelry, okay? This is insane. Okay, bag of jewelry. This is where we have the scarf. This is really cute. I'm a huge fan of hair scarves. Love it. How cute is that? Obsessed with it. Fan. And the choker, you guys. This is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Okay, you guys. Well, there's nothing else to do besides... Oh, wait, there's another thing. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna lose it. Another freaking choker. Guys, this is so much. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna try this on right now. Let's see what happens. This is so cool. Okay, you guys, I'm actually losing it with this first outfit. This is so cool. So this is the vibe. I'm not sure how pink it's showing up on camera, but like it is like, this is like hot pink. I'm obsessed with this. Like, okay, cute. First of all, I love the vibe of wearing it with nothing underneath. Love that. I feel like I'm too clumsy, and there's no way there's not gonna be a nip slip. You know what I'm saying? But I think wearing like a little pink bralette underneath would be super cute. I'm really vibing this skirt. I feel like it's so, and I just need to give a moment to this top too, because this top is so cute. And with like the frills, I feel like I'm in Mean Girls, right? This is so cute. You guys, this freaking dress, I'm gonna lose it. What? Why is it so perfect? It fits me like a glove, seriously. I'm not wearing a bra. I don't know if I would. I'm not really a huge fan of bras. I might wear some like shapewear underneath just to like keep it in, because your girl likes to eat, you know what I'm saying? But oh my god, I'm actually going to this event, and I was thinking about what would be the perfect outfit for it, and I think this is the perfect outfit for it, like 100%. I feel like Marilyn Monroe in this. I feel so cute. This is for the other bundle, but like, just because I'm feeling such like glam old Hollywood vibes, this is like not the same shade of pink, but I don't think it matters. This is so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. I think this is my favorite bundle I've gotten from her. This is so on point. God, I'm obsessed with this. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. And so this is the other cardigan. She had mentioned like tying it at the waist for like a more cash look. Yeah, like, hey, just like walking. I'm looking fucking fabulous. What's up? Oh my god, this is cute. This is my, excuse me, I'm in a meeting right now. I'm a boss bitch. This is my freaking CEO bad bitch outfit. Just rolling the sleeves up really shittily right now just so we can get a vibe. Date night, look at that. This is really cute. I'm really vibing this. I think this will go with a lot of things. Okay, and this is the scarf, you guys. You guys know I love hair scarves. Love it. I just love these. These are so fun. I don't know if I put it on very well, but I think it's really cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed with this. Like the whole vibe. It's so hard to choose one thing. And like, oh, it's so hard to choose one thing. Oh my god, I didn't even try the chokers on. Okay, you guys, these are the chokers. Obsessed. Really obsessed with it. I love chokers. I wear them quite often. I actually haven't worn them in a while, but this reminds me to get back into it. Loving it. Let me know what your guys' favorite outfit or items were. I'm so in love with this dress. It's really hard for me to pick a favorite other than this dress. If I have to choose a favorite, I think it's this dress, just because it came to me at a perfect time when I literally was thinking about what am I gonna wear to this event? And this is the perfect thing. So for that reason, but I'm obsessed with the furry cardigan. It's so like 90s, 2000s, like Paris Hilton, and I'm living for it. I love it. And I love the skirt. The skirt fits so well. And like, yeah, I love everything. The silky cardigan too was so like business sexy. Like there's just so many ways you can wear these, and I'm just obsessed. Like I literally don't know what to say. Like I love these all. I think this has been my favorite of the bundles I've gotten from her. You guys check out the last two and let me know what yours were, but I'm just so obsessed with it. Like I literally love everything. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. I'm excited to hear what you think. Again, tell me which one's your favorite. Like it's so hard for me to choose, but let me know what yours is. And let me know if you get a bundle from the Stylist Witch as well. I will have all of her information in the description box below. And I will see you all next time. Bye!